Home remedies for UTIs. Urinary tract infections can strike anybody at any point in time. Women are definitely more susceptible than men to UTIs. Urinary tract infections cause a lot of agony and anguish for the person suffering from them. There are a variety of UTI therapies available, but here is a list of the best home remedies. 1. Drink plenty of water. One of the most fundamental home remedies for UTI is to drink water. The level of hydration in your body is a significant indicator of your risk of urinary tract infections. One of the most effective methods to treat this illness is to flush out the bacteria from the body, and drinking enough of water is essential to accomplishing this objective. Drinking more water causes you to pee more frequently, which lowers your chance of having UTIs. 2. Eat citrus fruit. Citrus fruits are known to have more health advantages than other fruits. This is because these fruits have a high vitamin C concentration. Vitamin C enhances the body's general immunity, which protects you against urinary tract infections. Vitamin C raises the acidity of your urine, killing hazardous germs. Consuming citrus fruits on a regular basis has been related to a decreased incidence of UTIs. 3. Add probiotics to your diet. It is vital that you maintain a healthy gut flora. The amount of healthy bacteria in your body should be greater than the amount of harmful bacteria. Consuming probiotics is one of the most effective strategies to maintain your good bacteria levels greater than your bad bacteria. As a result, it is one of the most effective UTI home treatments. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another excellent home remedy for UTIs. Apple cider vinegar contains antimicrobial characteristics. Drinking it on an empty stomach with some lukewarm water every morning is highly beneficial in eradicating UTI-related germs. It destroys the germs in your urinary system, allowing you to be bacterium-free in a healthy way. 5. Include ginger in your diet. Ginger tea's antimicrobial qualities can be particularly effective against a variety of bacterial types. Ginger is yet another effective UTI home treatment. Chewing ginger, drinking ginger juice, or drinking ginger tea can help cure UTIs. 6. Drink cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has long been associated with a decreased incidence of UTIs. Studies have shown that consuming just 8 ounces of cranberry juice can reduce your risk of UTIs by half. This juice stops germs from sticking to the urinary system, preventing UTIs from occurring in the first place. Drop a comment below to let us know which method has worked best for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.